Hey, what's up? It's Bradley Stephen Barry.
And I'm Jake Short.
And we are from Disney XD's Mighty Men, and we are here to have the best day ever at Blizzard Beach. We're gonna have a little friendly competition today. We're riding some slides, gonna see who's faster.
Summit Plummet is right behind us, and it's super steep, super awesome, and I'm kind of scared but excited at the same time.
We'll see who comes out on top.
We'll see when I come out on top. I'll see you on the water slide.
Okay. Go for it, man. I want you to go first.
Okay. Get my shoes off.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
See you later.
All right.
Woo!
He's already down there. All right.
Bradley and I just finished Summit Plummet, and
I had the best time. It was a good race,
well
though.
played.
You did good. All right, let's go try another one, shall we?
do it.
All right. Okay, so we just did Summit Plummet. That was awesome.
That was fantastic.
That was crazy.
Fast, crazy.
All right, so next up,
Definitely
downhill
downhill
double dipper.
dipper.
We're gonna do some toboggan racers. We'll probably hit up snowstormers. All right, do you want to go do this?
Right now.
Let's go. Come on. All right, so we've watched a few people go down, and it looks pretty fun.
Let's go do this. Tell him, Bradley.
Okay, Jake won that one.
I did. I feel good. It feels good to be
All right, let's go to the next one.
Okay.
I'll win.
We're taking a quick break from the water slides to have some
Frozen hot cocoa. We are here at Snowstormers. We're gonna race again. Come on,
Racing,
man.
let's
I'm
do
ready.
this.
Let's go. Let's go. I wish you luck. Give me. Hello, we are here at the Lazy River, and I am happy because I just won. I won the competition. Isn't that right, Jake? Subscribe, like it.
and comment if you think I won, because I demand a recount.
But it's obvious that he didn't.
Still up for grabs, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Best day ever.